Hi, I'm DK Rice with Royal LePage Rockies West Realty and TeamRice.ca. I'm here to show you number 29, Purcell Point. It was built in 2008 and is almost 1,600 square feet. Let's go take a look. It's a beautiful complex. They each have their own garage and decks, and they have a low maintenance finish to keep costs down. Has a really nice large entry and door to the garage with slate flooring. You have your laundry and storage area down here on the main, and then we're going to go upstairs to the main living area. The two-piece bath, wood flooring throughout the main floor, granite countertops, beautiful kitchen, nice and open, lots of light, and a deck for barbecuing or sitting out on. That's the pantry, just over here, and a large dining area that would be perfect for a larger table, or the one that's there fits perfectly. You've got your breakfast nook, propane fireplace, and we have another deck. This deck gets to boast all the views of the BC Rocky Mountains and downtown Invermere. It gets to show just how convenient the location is. Everything is within walking distance. You got your Valley Foods and Main Street. The beautiful woodwork trim and doors, you can tell, are total quality, and they look beautifully finished. So you got your four-piece bath with 1, 2 bedrooms, and then you have your master bedroom with an ensuite and walk-in closet. There's your walk-in closet. You've got the mountain views here. There you go. And lots of room for a king-size bed and end tables, or night tables, I guess. And the bathroom beautifully finished once again with a 4-piece. Thank you for watching this video. I'm DK Rice with Royal LePage Rockies West Realty and TeamRice.ca. For all your real estate needs in the Columbia Valley, please contact me directly. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my video feed. Thanks so much.